Hello ladies and gentlemen, let's see if this actually works this time, eh? Because it is being the utmost pain. To battle! This one just isn't working.
Of my kingdom. The flag of my kingdom.
Why is that one not working? That should be destroying. Why aren't we on yet? Let me duplicate stream key. Okay, are we back? Okay. Okay, I think we're back. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, power cut internet. It's all just like, oh, you can't stream today. Why are you wanting to stream your game jam? That's ridiculous. So. Oh, okay, I see. So I've managed to fix the floor thing. So now, when I leave this one, as you can see, it works, and it won't go on anything else unless it's a type of floor, and it even goes through the enemy, which is absolutely perfect, right? So what we had to do is, I'll do it with this one over here, because this one needs fixing. So you click it, and in the default static mesh settings, this is probably not the best way to do it, this is the way I'm going to do it. You basically, on the main one, set the collision to be custom, and then set the floor to, I forgot. Hello, book. You set the floor to block. There we go. And then all you do is on your enemy is you tell them to ignore the floor, like so. And that seems to work absolutely perfect. So that's what we're going to do. Hopefully. So. Yeah, so we just need to do that for all of these. Yeah, because I want it to be default, the floor to be to ignore everything. Why? Oh, it's connecting me to different VPN locations. So, collisions. Floor. Default is overlap. I don't know what the difference between overlap and ignore is. Let's try ignore and see what that does on the enemy. Because by default for these, it's fine. So that will now work.
To battle!
See? And it'll go over there. And I can't walk over there, so that's fine.
The flag of my king.
So I've got a feeling it won't work on the corners. Oh, I'm lagging.
To battle!
There we go. So if that's there, this one should inherit the default as well. Not you. There. Which should be ign block. Yeah, so we've done that one. Because default makes it use whatever you've set it to. So basically, I just need to go through all these tiles we've used. So anything that needs to have it, there's only 4, that's not too bad. And in the default, set the collision to be custom and block. Because there are more things that you don't want to click than there are that you do want to click. So, custom and block. So now all the floors, except that last one on here, should be allowed to be clicked through. I don't think I've done this one. Yeah. Custom. Okay, so now everything floor-wise should let you go click through it. I've not done these because you don't really walk on these. Then again, you do here. I'll do that specific one. There we go. So our cursor now goes on every item. Perfect. I think that's one of the things we needed to fix, weren't it? Let's have a look. No, that's not what we needed to fix, but it was an annoying bug anyway. So, still we fixed it. That's good. Right, so, face enemy when attacking. Move to enemy when attacking. The move to enemy is probably going to be a more important one first. Okay. So we've got you. So we highlights when you click him. Okay. So what we want to do is when we click on an enemy, the player runs towards him. Right. Where's the enemy? Enemy boss. That one. Oh. Oh, that's the level sequence. Okay. Let's create one for the boss because there's a lot of boss stuff. Where's this cube I've placed? Oh, that's the collider for that, isn't it? Yeah, cube collider. Boss, boss, boss. Gem bones. Trigger cutscene's the boss. So I'll put all you in a folder called boss because then it's nice and tucked away. Where's the bones? Oh, it's there. That's part of that. Somebody died. To battle. Flag of my kingdom. Right. This should destroy after complete, but I don't believe it is.
To battle! The flag of my kingdom.
Oh, is it? Maybe it is doing. Oh, no, it is. Okay, so let's do the same for this one over here, because we only want these to play once. We don't want to play multiple times. There we go. Yeah, so maybe it's just glitching out. So when we click on you, how do we make it run up to you and attack you? There is a move to command, but it's for AI, so I don't know if it'll work. So we'll have to have a look, because it's AI.move to. So it might just mean take over with AI and move them to this location, which if so, might work really nicely. What the fuck, you know? I don't know. Right. Close you back up because we're good with the floor. Give me a minute. Alright, ladies and gents. Right. However, it seems to be holding stable now. If I get to 30 minutes and it's still holding stable, I'll reset up the time lapse because I think it'll look cool. Right. So I need the clicking one. Where is player? That one. Play down control, top down controller. I might just rename them to player, to be honest. What's that one? Player, DPC player, PC player. The blueprint play controller and controller. Yeah. So that one, compile you. So click here and go there. That's fine. because that's where we just literally walking through. That's not a problem. There is a move to hit location. Maybe I just use that. So if it's an enemy and they're not dead, set the enemy to selected. And instead of attack, we'll put attack here. What if I do move to hit location? Drag you to there. I don't know what's just going to happen, if he's going to try and attack before or... It's still a hit location. What do you mean actor? Oh. How do I do it up here? Break hit result, hit actor. Oh, I literally come from the hit result. Okay. To there. That's a very long one. I could store it and make it easier, but we'll see. What does that do? How does the target go? No one. Okay. So is that it? It might be.
To battle!
Ooh. Oh, I'm not pressing the right key, that's why. Ah, yeah, he's attacking before he gets there. So is there a... arrives? Because that's exactly what I want. When you click him and he runs up to him. Because now I can just go, attack!
Somebody gone dead.
And he'll run up and attack him. Okay, but what I don't want the hit location, because that's moving to wherever I click. I want to go to the enemy. So do we have a move to? Move component 2. Ooh, it's a function apparently. Ooh, I created it. Interesting. Oh, is it just a simple move to? Oh, that's even easier then. Pop, pop, pop. Plop, plop. Controller itself, the goal is whoever I've hit, which is this enemy here, get actor location. It's a bit easier, is it not? See how that goes. It'll still do the same thing with the actor, I believe. Oh, okay. That's even worse. What's changed? Is it because I didn't give it a controller? I just assumed it inherited from self by default. I'm not passing anything specific to it.
To battle!
There we go. He's trying to run to the exact position rather than the radius. I don't think the move location caters for that. No. Hello, Frimzer. How you doing today, buddy? I hope you are well. So that's moving to the bang on center of the character rather than a small vector radius. What if can I minus a vector? This might go wrong, but let's do minus float to keep it intact. Join you up to there, and if we just say like -5. Because theoretically that'll
to battle.
Bring it round, maybe? He's still trying to get in the middle, so where's it? Is it taking it across, maybe? Let's try something bigger, like 50, and see what happens.
To battle.
Good, good. I'm glad you're doing well today. I have exams. Just come see YouTube for like 2 minutes to get my head of studying. Awesome. Good luck in your exams. What's he doing? I think it's working. Thanks. Welcome. Let's try 100. Right, so that's 1,000. Let's try 100.
To battle.
Oh, okay. There we go. I'm a head out now. Good luck on the game. Thank you very much. Thank you for tuning in. It is 100. Wow, I don't know. It doesn't look like 100. But it is stopping. I thought I died then. Like, if I do it... Oh, it seems to always be going to the same place, though.
Somebody gone dead. Somebody gone dead.
Alright, it has to finish, that's why. Yeah, it's always going to the same location. Damn. Because I need to get it. Let's open Critter. So what I need is, let's do a custom document. So what we need is the enemy, which is here. It's very big. So we have the enemy, which is here, and we have the player, which is here. And then when we click on the enemy, let's just get rid of the enemy. We need the player here, and where's the enemy? The enemy is here, but when we click him, we are currently getting here, which we can't obviously get to because we're colliding with him. What we need is some vector mass to go one of these points instead. That's what we need. And I know it's possible. We need it somewhere here. So when you click, at the moment it's going here. Which, that's not what we want. We want it to go closest position, back by 5, here. That's what we need. Because then no matter where we attack him, we'll always hit the outer ring, which is just enough for the attack to work. Like, if we were to get the enemy our position, so our position, take away their position, then that will give us the distance. That gives us a distance. But then that wouldn't give us this. This is a tough one. Because I'm not too good with maths. Let's see, have a quick Google and see if somebody finds it. It's gotta exist. I'm on German Google at the moment, apparently. I don't want to be on German Google. It keeps sending me to German, even though I've specifically gone to a specific Google. Yeah, never mind, be right. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're going for DuckDuckGo. That always works. UE4. Simple move to location. Radius. Acceptance radius. That could be it. Oh, he's doing C++. Can somebody add an acceptance radius argument. Simple move to location. It should look like this. Well, can I open this up? Oh no, it's the C++ function. Acceptance radius. That's the same one. That's the same one. But want it in blueprints. So I don't know C++ yet. What about move to location or actor? Is that a thing? Move to location or actor. Well, we want to move to an actor. Move to location or actor. We do have some more values here. Maybe this is what we try. We'll figure out how to time that afterwards. Ooh, on move finished. Ooh, this could be it. Controller. Self object reference. AI control. Oh, is this AI? This might not work. We do have a player actor. That won't join. Get controller? No, damn it. Because that does what we need. I haven't done the air move. I can't get result. Plenty of stops. How did he get the AI to work? Hello, Lazif. How you doing, buddy? I hope you're well today. AI move to. He's not dragged a pawn onto it. Unless I just literally get the pawn. What are you? Character. Get pawn. Get pawn owner? Maybe? Is that gonna work? No! What is it? AI controller object. I don't think that's gonna work. Damn. Play the game to see the progress till now. There's not been much progress to be fair. This is broke. Simple move to actor. We'll whack that on there. Goal is that wants an actor. No. Simple move to location. I think there's definitely some maths we can do to do it. Stick you there. I don't think there's much changed from what you've last seen.
To battle!
So we can now run round
Flag of my kingdom
with text. And we've got him attacking, but he won't hurt us yet. And when we click on him, it'll run up and try to attack him, but it's not facing him yet. There we go. So we can kill him. There we go. So he's dead now. And he'll die on the floor. We can explore the land. I've currently got rid of all the enemies because I'm reworking on them. Then, can I still attack this? No, the fence is the old type. So once I get through the fence, we can get to the boss. So you are the one who's trying to steal my kingdom? I guess I'll have to deal with you myself. The spawns will enjoy eating you. I don't know why my camera went up like that. But yeah, so that's the progress so far. And he's teleported back up there. That's all we've done so far. Trying to get the enemy to attack. Need to fix defenses. Well, no, I'm trying to fix the enemy positioning thing at the moment. So it runs up and he always goes there with the enemies. Which I guess if you've got the vector there, minus 100 is going to go down there. Cool, thank you. I've still got the vector thing. I haven't. It's something like we just need to minus it away in the player's direction. Yeah, location. Yeah, actor location. So that's that one. So if we minus the vector from the vector, like so, then pass that into there and minus 100 off of that one. Maybe? Honestly, I'm guessing now.
To battle!
No, that's not right. Stop it. Why is he doing that? No, whatever he's doing is running off, so that's not right. It's definitely something like that, that's the problem. We'll keep it at the minus 100 for now. Because then at least he's away from it. And we just need to make him rotate and face the character, that's all. Which I have done for the AI, so if I find where the AI is, we might be able to make it do that. Characters, AI. Find target, focus on target. Oh, is it just set focus? Oh, that's easy enough. Right. New focus is... Oh, it's the enemy selected. Let me just do that. Like so. For this one, if we just untick that and bring it over here, we can just also just do that. Make it a bit smaller. Blueprint self is not controlled, therefore target must have a location. What's target? AI controller. Oh, why is it always got to be AI? Set focus. Okay, so that's not working. I want that AI move to, because that would fix all our problems. So that's saying it's not going to work. Okay, let's just try doing something else. What are you? You're a type of BBC player, but I know you're a pawn. UE4 pawn set focus. AI control. I don't want AI control. I want pawn to set focus. There's a great artist. You need to do a raycast on the mouse cursor. Yeah, I've done that one. Done that one. You add a camera to the pawn, have it facing towards the pawn's body. Wait, what? Now I want the player to rotate to it. Pawn, rotate to location. Face location. You try to get pawn owner to no location, maybe. Try get pawn owner. That's not doing what I want. Rotate character to look at mouse location. That could work. create a function called aimed crosshair. What is this? It's a GIF. Who does GIFs nowadays? Well, I guess if it works. Copy image. Stick it over there. You can't pause a GIF, can you? I just gotta kind of keep running through it. Let's see if this will work. Because instead of making it look at the crosshair, we want it to look at the enemy. Ah, that's wrong. Let's do it this way. Okay, that's frozen there. So that's what we need, apparently. So, have we still got move to hit location? Are we still doing that? We are still doing that. But we're not hit location anymore because we're moving to the location. Okay. So if I create a new function called base location, rotate, I don't know, rotate to location, and in here we'll pass in the enemy. Enemy actor location, be a vector. So if we go to that and call this rotate to location, and then if we just drag from this one to there, there we go. Well, let me click. So rotate to location. What do we do? So he gets the control, which is fine. Then he comes down. Wait, what's set control rotation do? Targets a controller. Sets the control. That's not helpful. Because I'm trying to see. Because this is where we come in, so that's fine. Let me make it bright. That's where we come in. I thought that's where it was getting the mouse cursor, but maybe not. Ah. Get the player location, get the cursor. So we don't need that or that. We just need the location of the bad guy. Get control point, which will be the player. Get his location. Okay. So we need all of this. That's what we need. So set control rotation must literally be just setting the rotation of it then, maybe. Maybe. But get player controller. This isn't permanent. I'm going to clean this up just for now. Then we've got whatever this is. R in 2. That must be in looping to something else. So set that to 3. 3.3 is. He's either put 3 or 33. Let's put 33. Delta time is going to be get world delta seconds. So you just sit there. Then let's get the player controller again. Get control pawn. This has got to be so inefficient. Get actor rotation. But we will clean this up. So the current is there. So that's where he currently is looking. Which is fine. But from the control pawn, we want to break off and get his location. Nope. Get location. Do I want to find look at rotation? Oh, okay. So that's going to be our key method. You'll be plugged into the target. You will be over here a bit, because I need more space. So from the look at rotation, we just need the location, which is all the way over here. Is that it? I think that's it. That's not too bad, actually. We don't need to return anything, I don't believe. So that should just make him rotate. Let's see what happens.
To battle!
Okay, nothing's changed from that perspective. Okay, so he's not rotating fast enough. So, have we got an event tick? Because maybe it's something it has to do over and over and over again. We haven't. So what we'll do, event tick, branch, is, oh no. If the enemy is selected, is that, oh no. I keep typing faster than it's loading. Is valid. There. Then rotate to location. So if we've selected an enemy, then he'll be constantly looking at it, which is what we want, to be fair. But what we need is your which is there, and otherwise it won't do it. So theoretically, we just ping that out. Let's see what happens.
To battle!
So it's not going to error because we haven't actually got an enemy, and then is it running it? Apparently it's running it. Do we need to whack some print statements in to prove it? So it should print hello if it's running.
To battle!
It is running, it's just not facing the right direction. We can drag you up here to be a bit nicer. Maybe the interp speed's too slow. Maybe it was 3.3.
To battle!
Still not facing the right way. It's facing here. It's either facing there or it's just not working. What actor location are we passing into it? We are just getting the straight enemy selector's location. Please help my store account. Hello. What's the theme? The theme is it is not real. And you are a child in your imagination when I actually do that cutscene. Because that'll be at the entire game is you're just in your imagination. But I need to get the start and the end cutscenes done. But at the moment I'm having trouble making this do what it's told. Maybe if I pass this in. What is it anyway? It's a float. If I just whack a float in here, will delta float. Stick you in there just as a test. Sounds like my first grade creative writing. Okay, awesome. If we just stick the delta second in there now, maybe that'll. I don't think so. I think both variables were doing the same thing.
Battle.
I just don't think it's working. It's not facing me. Face the enemy, boy. Oh, you two need to be up there. So yeah, so the get world seconds was fine. Ooh. Get world delta seconds. So you're fine there. You can just be binned off. You can be removed. There we go. Right. So we come in and it sets control rotation. Maybe that's not what we need. Because we don't want the player controller. Player actor. Get mesh. Get mesh. Set rotation. World rotation, maybe? Because he was setting his control rotation, which I've got a feeling was the controller, and I can't see. There we go. But I'm not setting the controller, I'm setting the mesh.
To battle!
Oh! Oh, now it's glitched out. Okay, so maybe that code needs to run always. Okay. So maybe 3.3 is too small. I think we've cracked it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's tidy it up a bit if we can. What we got? Player controller. We don't need to do U. So we can just do this. Get actor. Get location. Right? So it's... that one will do it. Because then it's using one variable instead of, you know, re-getting all of it, which is going to be expensive performance-wise. So we drag you back to there as well. Match all you up nicely. Just get rid of you and just pump you in there. See, that looks so much nicer. Obviously, nothing wrong with the code I found. The person on the website was incredible. They helped me solve it. They did the maths, which I can't do. Right, interrupt speed. Let's try 30 and basically look straight away.
To battle!
Why is he doing that? I don't like that. Let's try lowering it.
To battle!
Well, he's certainly looking at him now. Wait, no he's not. Why is he not looking at him anymore? What? Okay, maybe the interrupt speed's not good enough. Let's try 5. What else was I going to do? Let's... Oh, I have already took that there. So I think it's definitely got to run in an event tick. Face direction. What if then I replace the enemy... Well, I don't replace it. Travel location. We just set this to a vector. And then we just set the travel location every time we go to it. And then we just tell him to look at the travel location instead. Because that way it will work for both of them. I need it around... I need the hit location out from this. Impact location. Let's try that one. Drag you down a bit. Then if we plug into there and plug into there and unplug you and plug you into set. No, the branch. Yeah. Oh wait, no, did we get rid of that on purpose? I think we did. I don't think we need that or that anymore. We need this. Yeah, we need that so we know where to go, but we don't need the interface stuff anymore. So that would make this bit plugging into here instead. Yeah. So now he should have a travel location. And then this will basically say if is valid travel location. Is valid AI location. Maybe? We don't need that, so we can just plug you into it. Let's see what that does. So now it should always face. Maybe. Just gonna glitch it.
The flag of my kingdom.
Yeah, he's not rotating correctly. Oh dear. Why is he rotated 90 degrees? Oh, stop it. Windows are messing up. Because the mesh has a different rotation to these. Get local, get relative rotation. We'll try doing it this way instead. And we'll also do, let's just put you up there because we don't want you. There's a backup anyway. Get relative location. Let's see what that does instead. So instead of returning the entire camera, we're returning the mesh itself.
To battle!
Interesting.
The flag of my kingdom.
Interesting. So he's now Sonic. It's a good bug, I'm not gonna lie. And what happens if we actually give him one? He rotates 90 degrees anyway. Well, that's probably not any better, is it? Okay, so what if then, instead of doing all that, we just make it all target the player actor, including the rotation? Maybe. Maybe? I don't think this is going to work.
To battle!
No, it's still not
The
facing
flag
that direction.
of my kingdom.
What am I thinking? I don't even think he's facing the enemy. No, that's not working. Darn! Why ain't this working? What have we got for the move one? I wonder if the move to hit location handles the rotation. It doesn't look like it. Did we just get lucky, maybe? I don't set that now, is he just going to still spin?
Battle! The flag.
No, it's still not working. So let's drop the selected enemy in there. Is valid. And then we can get act for location. And drop you into there. Start making kind of face the enemy. But it's this one is still, well, we don't need the travel location. Is it as simple as we just have to reset his rotation at the end, maybe? Because does he face the enemy now?
To battle!
Because he does rotate, look. But he's ever so slightly off, that's the problem. And he's not killing the enemy anymore. Okay, that swing attack is definitely something wrong with that animation. Let's have a quick look. I don't think it's that one. No, because he's moving on that one. Is it that one? I think that one's okay. I think it's that one. Or that one. So it's active, 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 active. It needs to be active for like... It's okay, actually. Maybe it is that one, and maybe it's just not very good. Let's take out /3 montage and see if it's any better. Somehow. I'm getting lost with everything. Attack montages, there we go. 0, so that's probably a sign on the player. Here we go. Which one was it? 3, weren't it? It was terrible. Because it's a ducking one. I think my pooch wants toilet, so I'll be back in 1 minute. There it is, gentlemen. The music's still playing. Yeah. Okay, so let's just... So when we click him, he now runs up to him. He faces straight away, though. He needs to... Why is he looking at the enemy straight away? I don't think that's working, because he's rotating before. He should be looking at the enemy. not at the enemy's location when we're there. Because he's looking straight, like when we click, he's looking straight up.
To battle!
See, he's facing that way. We're not even there yet. It should be facing that way. When he's there, it's fine. Can I go behind him? Yeah, it's definitely not working. He's facing straight up every time. We're just getting lucky. Because if I move him down here, I think he was just in a lucky position, and attack him, it's going to face up again. Yeah, no, that's not working at all. Why is it not working? Is it because we're hitting the root component instead? Get form. What did he do? Let's try get player location. Get player controller. So they did that. And it didn't do that. Oh, set world rotation. Ah, I'm doing the set control rotation, aren't I? So let's try plugging all this into here and see if this makes any difference. You got to experiment to learn, haven't you? Now he's facing a different way.
To battle!
No, now he's not facing it at all. But what am I... Let's try setting that. I can't tell what that is. It's either a 33 or... I think it is 33.
To battle!
It's definitely not facing him, or at least the right location. When it says player actor, which is that, it says it's getting it there. So it says the center is there. Let's try doing what he did again. But I don't know. Let's just do that. Yes.
To battle!
No, he's still facing the wrong way. Let's try. We'll do some more Googling. Make UE4, make player controller face enemy. Need to have a face an enemy when attacking. That's roughly what we need. Rotate to face BB entry. If your player character uses AI and a behavior, I don't. If player is not using a behavior tree, simply get any other case player and find look at rotation. Is that it? So what's all this for? Is that just in... Make it... Oh, I haven't put that in. Could that be it?
To battle!
No, it's still not facing right rotation. It's the wrong rotation. Because they face the enemy, that's fine. What are they doing differently? Because I think we copied the same code, didn't we? Or was that a specific AI one? Focus target. Ah, that was the set focus one, which I can't do, weren't it? It's trying to load C++ up. Okay, those are emails. There we go. Maybe it is. I don't know what it could be. This is the problem. Because I swear we're not rotating the entire camera. Because that's got the camera in it. And we can't be...
Battle!
Well, according to that, we are. So maybe it's the... Maybe we are rotating the entire camera. So maybe I'm thinking about this all wrong then. Let's glitch that. There we go. So that's just going to do it smoothly, which is what we want. So that gets us the player controller. We want to change the player, don't we? Set rotation. Set world rotation. On all of it. Set active rotation, that'll do. Stick you into there. Is that gonna work?
To battle!
Oh! Oh, sweet! Have we cracked it? Nice! Okay, now we definitely have cracked it. So maybe I don't need to do those, and I can make it more efficient by just doing you. So I want to teleport him there, because that'll be silly. The introp, I believe, is his smoothness. I believe that's a lerp, essentially. What attack is he doing? Whichever one, whichever he spins around and attacks. And I don't think the sword is hitting him. Look. It's the one what cuts through his face. So which animation cuts through his face? Let's have a look at that. Alright, 4 cuts through the face. And 2 works. Okay, 1 works. So it's this one. This one isn't doing the work. Stop moving. So it comes round. Let's give it more damage time as well, because technically he is swinging it from here, so anyone behind him should take damage. Clish, 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 clish. And he's doing that there. So maybe we add an override to his hand. And we pull it up more. How do I key that again? Because if we pull it up more... Because it is very close, isn't it? It's not really striking too much out. So if we rotate it up so he swings a bit... But I cannot remember how to add an override. I did it the other day. Maybe we don't do it here. Maybe we do it on the base animation. Maybe. Yeah, this is looking more like it. So as he swings around, we'll grab his hand here. And we'll lift it up there. And we'll key that. What's that look like? You can see where it does it there. So what I want to do is bring it back more here. Slash. And then there, because it's going through his head, because logic, we will key his hands to be different. Oh, would that work? Or does that look weird? Slash. It's like it's not made for having a big head or something. We just want him to like skip his hands to there. We don't need his hands to go back up. Slash. No, we don't want your hands to go up there. Why is it saying I'm setting scale? Oh no, I cannot read this at all. Okay, maybe it'll do for now because we can't be too picky. But hopefully that should help the attacking part. There we go. So now he rotates to the right location. To battle! Okay, that's working so much better. So when he's dead, we'll turn the visibility thing off. He's still trying to attack. Awesome! Ladies and gentlemen, we can cross one off. Face enemy when attacking. Move to enemy attack. We can cross two off! Yes! Woo! Now making progress. It's only been 3 hours. Why have I got so many VPN stuff? Get rid of all that. There we go. Oh. So what I'm thinking is I will stream for another 50 minutes. Then I will stop and go and have some dinner because I am hungry. Yeah, stop, have some dinner, and then restream again. It'll be 1 o'clock, and it doesn't feel like I've done a lot. But I'm just gonna set the time lapse camera up 1 minute. I'm gonna mute it so actually I don't need headphones. You can still hear me, hopefully. Let's set the time lapse camera up. We set it to like there. Ooh, there we go. I just used my phone and I've got a camera stand. There we go. Right. So now we face the enemy and attack them. Let's do the player's HUD. Actually, we don't need to do the HUD yet. We can make the enemy attack you. And we just need to give our player some health. So we've got none there. Have we got it in here? No. Okay. It's a bit late to make them. You can't change the parent. Can you change the parent class on the fly? You can. Let's see. I'm hoping this won't break a lot. Let's go to the blueprints and to the characters. And we're going to create a blueprint character. and we're going to call it blueprint character entity. And this entity will contain the same variables as the enemy, which is his stats. These. Okay, I can't... Can I paste them? I can, okay. Drag you over there. I can't do multiple at once, I can only do one at once. Randomized on load, we don't want that on the entity. Health, damage amount we're going to remove, because that'll be on the sword. Max health. Current weapon. And is dead. And damage anim montages. Anim, and I clicked on the wrong screen. And death anim montages. Is that everything he needs? Yes. So these two will be in their own category of animations. No. In their own category of animations. Animations. This will be in stats. So will max health. So will current weapon. And probably is dead will remain anonymous. Okay. So we've got them in there. So now what I'm thinking is if we go to the player, because this is a type of character, will this work? This is risky. Changing that to be BPC entity, because then it should have all the same variables. She does appear to have contained the same variables. Oh no, no he hasn't. He hasn't at all. Generate const class, generate abstract class. Why hasn't he got the rest? Do I need to refresh it? BPC enemy. Oh, maybe it just exists. Maybe I can't see it, but it is there. BPC character. Interfaces. Old. What's old? Oh, I don't know. So if I go to the BBC player, what's he got? He should have a stats. He has got stats. Okay, so that's worked. Current weapon is nothing. Okay. So if we get rid of... Where's weapon used? Set weapon. There. If I get rid of the context, get rid of that, and can I just do set current weapon? I can, so we can access the variable, and I can set it there. Okay, so now I can get rid of this. Is in use? No. Okay, where's it still in use? Compile. Is it used now? Where is it in use? Show me the references. There are none. You're lying to me. Delete. You're lying to me. It's not in use. How much have we actually just broke? So, what's this? What does this even do? Activate set owner. Set the sword's owner. Nah, there we go. This one sets the mouse position. That one teleports me if I click my magic button. That one upgrades my swords. So what we'll do is we'll just drag it down here. Start this in dev. Because we don't want that going live, but I don't have to stop it yet. So that's set cursor position in world. Okay. Teleport locations I want to keep. Current teleport I want to keep. Attack montages we don't need anymore. Because we've got the other one. But you could argue the attack montages should be on the weapon instead, because that's what animations need to do with that current weapon. Okay. So on here, what have we got here? So we don't need that, we don't need that, we want the event graph here. Can we compile without a problem? Yeah. So we've got set player, we set the player, that's fine. We can drag all this back here now. We've really cleaned that one up. Face direction, that's good. Click and go there, we don't need to change that attack action. Here we go. So, get the enemy. Is it an enemy? Yes. Because this is just for the player, so we're okay. Let's check the volume, because I've not checked the volume for a bit. Let's just check the volume. Sounds decent to me. Okay, so is it an enemy? Yep. I'm not gonna sit tiny note. Is it dead? No, because you don't want to keep attacking if it's dead. Oh wait, where's the dead thing? Oh, I just remembered something I wanted to do. Not entity. Where are you? You. Oh, he's over here. I must have been copying the variables. So, event any damage is dead. Where do we set is dead? Is dead to true here. So, play that, do that, play the montage, and kill him after 5 seconds if he's not killed on the play montage completed. Okay. So, before here, then, we just drag off up here and go attack selector, set hiding. Set hidden in game to true, propagate to children. You go there, you go there. So now the attack selector will make itself scarce when he's dead. Yes. And then what we also want to do, so when we attack the enemy, oh no, because it's got to wait for the animation. Okay. I was just going to remove the enemy selector, but we should be okay. So, yeah, we were setting the montages, weren't we? Which is an attack here. Player actor dot. Where's our sword? Blueprints, weapons, BP sword. Doing it on BP sword because then everything would inherit from it. And it'd be BP entity. Wait, that's receiving damage, not dealing damage. We do need the attack montages there on here though, but not in components. We need it in animations, like so, because then any sword can have a different animation. So if we've got a swashbuckling or something, if we go pirates, so that's fine, I think. Damage is from there. So okay, so the sword applies its own damage. We're fine with that point. The player no longer needs his attack montages, which we can get from. We're just doing cleanup at the moment. Current weapon. Attack montages randomized. There we go. It's a one step extra, however it's a much cleaner step extra because then it gives us so much more flexibility with different weapons. So with these attack montages now, we could flip between a swashbuckling fencing attack and a greatsword like we have, just with changing the weapon. There we go. And then those two are debugging statements that will not print when it's in development only. How do I make code development only? UE4 development only. Function specifiers. Is that what we need? Keywords used when declaring UE4. Oh, that's C++. Because, like, for example, on the controller, nope, on the character, these here, we don't want to execute these ever when it's published. Do we like ever is development? Develop. Game developers do, game users do. Nope. Is packaged for distribution. Returns whether or not this game is packaged for distribution. Could be that, to be fair. Let's try it. So if it's not packaged for distribution, it shouldn't teleport. That's what I'm getting at. I should probably have fixed everything else I did.
To battle!
Okay, that might be doing it. I don't know. We'll have to just see about that one. Because we're not going to know it works until we actually build it, which I need to build it one day. Let's stick you there. There. And then we'll do the same to here. It's a shame you can't just wrap it in a comment and say this is development, but then I guess it'd be too risky. Let's turn it down that way, make them the same. Is it package distribution? No. Okay, yeah, we are right. Actually, I guess one way to test it would be to just go like that, wouldn't it? It to tell us whether we can or not teleport. At least if we're... Okay, yeah, so that's working. But now it depends when we build it, if it actually counts it as that. We need some swishing sounds. Let's have weapon swishing sounds. Where are you? Weapon swoosh sounds. Probably technically called swing, but it'll be right. So on the character controller, we get the weapons montages, so which means I don't think we need this anymore. No results found. We can delete you. You're not in use. You're lying to me. The teleport indexes are fine. We're going to keep them as is. So the player now has a is dead, health, max health, current weapon, and has the damage and the death. So when they hit us, we can die, because we've not set any of that up yet. But that'll come in for when we're attacking the player. Well, when we're being attacked. That's teleporting, that's that, so that's fine. Okay, so we save that. That's done, that's done. Now let's start looking at the enemies. Characters. NPC. You. Yes. Yes, yeah, I am right. I'm getting slightly lost in my own head. So this doesn't inherit from my thingy, so we can make it inherit from it. What did I call it? VPC entity. There we go. I'm assuming. Oh yes, conflicting names. So we don't need is dead. Oh no. Undo. It's replaced these. I was hoping it would replace the other way. Is dead. Set is dead to true. Drag you over to there. This is the problem with it saying they're still in use when you're looking at it. It's like, hold on. No, you're not. Max health. There we go. Like so. Is dead. Is dead. Get the health. This one is a very complex spidery one, so what we'll do is we'll just come here and go set health. You'll drag into you. You'll drag into you. you'll be dragged from you and from you. There we go. Spidery one done. Is dead. Death and in montages. So this does come from the stats, which is animations. Oh no. Oh no, undo. Oh wait, actually it let me delete it, didn't it? We do want to keep them there because we know what's what. Get death and in montages. Perfect. And get damage and in montages. We've got a lot of duplicates here. So health should be done. Damage amount is gone. Max health is gone. Can detect player we need. Current weapon should be gone. I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, we haven't implanted that yet. And he's dead. Okay. I've just checked it. It's not in use. Max health. Randomize on it. Okay, those we need to keep. But overall, we'll have to reset all the montages we've just done, I believe. But this should be a lot better now. Oh, has the enemy's only got one montage? They do. Alright, montage. Current weapon. Attack montages. We've only got one weapon, so we may as well pimp them out while we're here, haven't we? Random. I just realised I can't see chat. There we go. And then you could go there. Okay, so now we have to redo all of the animations. However, everybody's got stats now. So the player has stats, which means that the sword he has stats too. Right? Why ain't this sword got stats? Is it because it's a child actor? Unless, in that case, then we might have to set it in here. Animations, attack montages. Can we set it here? We can set it here. Oh damn! Which ones were the ones I liked? The high spin wasn't one. Slash 1 was pretty good. I'm just gonna have to look at one. We're gonna see which one I liked. Yeah, that one's a good one. And another one. What's 3 like? Is that the one we fixed? Yeah, I think that's the one we fixed, isn't it? Oh no, 4's the one we fixed. Oh, so maybe we can, if we know how to fix 3, then maybe we can fix that. So we'll just have a look at fixing 3. Just while we're here, they're quick. Come on, full screen. I have work to do. There we go. So he comes up and he's like, yeah. But what we'll do, because he's going for a low strike, you can see what he's doing, is we'll key you to just be higher, you see, and they go higher. Oh, I didn't key that. Is that working? So it comes in, and already we'll lift it up there. It's too low. And it comes in, strikes like that. Yeah, okay. I think that's good. So this is the difference between good, I won't say good, like, you know, accurate colliders versus inaccurate colliders. Because I basically see some tutorials where they'll come in and they'll just spawn, because the way mine works is the collider is around the sword and you must be hit by the sword to get hit by the sword. Theirs basically just spawns a giant cube in front of it, and whether you're in it, away from it, or anything, you'll just get struck with it. Which, it's easier, but is it right? That's the thing. The basic games like this, I probably would have got away with it, to be fair. There we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, awesome. So that's sword 1. So that means the player now has attack animations. The player's not got death animations yet, but that's fine, we don't want him to. So let's go and give the AI's weapon, the broken sword, some montages. Because you probably don't want him to have the same, do we? But we'll just give him a basic one. We'll just give him a basic one. Unless, let's use the power of Mixamo and see how far we get. Actually, so I add a label to OBS. Yeah, let's add a label to OBS saying current task, and we'll just stick it at the bottom or something. It'll get me used to using OBS more, won't it? Text. Current task. Make source visible, yes. So the current task is... Have we got a better font than sans serif? I don't know fonts, so I'm going to say no. Current task is to add weapon swoosh sounds. It's already so much faster than Streamlabs. Read from flight. Oh, that could be quite good. Until you sing chat log. I don't want chat log. Can I wrap it in an outline? Yes. Oh my lord. I'm loving OBS. Okay. It's a bit big. Let's lock the screen so I don't accidentally edit it. Select font. What are we on? Why are we on 256? That's too small. 22? That's too small as well. 72. Yeah, I'll do. Current task. Add weapon swoosh sounds. Let's go look. Let's look around like that. I need to see what the stream looks like. Stick it over here so I can see it. Current task, add weapon switch sounds. So what does it look like when I'm in Unreal? No, I prefer it on one line and we'll just push it across more. That one. Current task, add weapon swoosh sounds. That is what we're eventually getting to. Or would it be better up there, like that? No, down at the bottom and out of the way, I think. Like that, maybe. I'm not running the stream. I keep pausing it so I don't see what's going off. Current task, add weapon swoosh sounds. Left or right? I prefer it being over here, I think. Oh no, it's auto-scaling. I don't want that. Okay, that'll do, that'll do. So the current task is adding weapon swoosh sounds. Just log into this. Because we're going to see if we can get some more swoosh sounds, basically. Okay, we need a sword. Great sword, pro sword, and shield. This is the thing, we've got to be careful of the sword and shield. We don't want that. We just want a sword. Because I guess that one might work actually. Because it doesn't look like he's holding a shield too much. Yeah, I like that one. If we mirror it. Wait, the goblins are left-handed, aren't they? Are they? I forgot. I guess it don't matter. We'll make them left-handed. Not because left-handed people are goblins. My brother's left-handed and he's not a goblin, I think. Maybe he is. But Yeah. Okay. Save that. Okay, we've got one. Can we get any others? They're walking. They're impacts. That's drawing a sword. Oh, if we had more time, we could make them draw the sword. That's a maybe. Would that work? Yeah, but then the player would take 3 attacks. We don't want that. We haven't got stable sword outward slash. Yeah, make it left-handed, and we'll rob that one as well. Well, it's not robbing. These are free. Why do I keep calling them robbing? There we go. Hello, Poochums. Right. Ah, we need to montage them, don't we? Where did I save them? Let's go into mannequin animations. We'll drop them in there, then we'll convert them over. Stable sword, sword and shield slash. And we want to take it from the Mixamo base skeleton, and we want to import all. How much crap is it going to give us? Sometimes the animations give you like a random idle pose, and you're like, I didn't ask for that. Oh, no, we're good. Interesting, they're blue. Probably the thumbnail. You can change the thumbnail. How do you do it? There's a way you can like change the asset's thumbnail somehow. Because I kept messing around changing some of mine because it was fun to do. Oh, right, let's grab you two. Is there anything I have to do? I don't think there is. So we can just retarget them to the mini characters, because then my character can technically use them, but we probably won't. Geometry, Synthi, fantasy characters, animations. Just stick it there because it is genuine. Well, you know, it's generic. It's not belonging to a pack of any kind. There we go. Right, let's animations. There we go. So we've got stable sword outward slash. What's that look like? Why is he in the floor? We need to trade the hands that the weapon's in. We might have a problem. Because on mine, they're on the floor. Okay. We might have to modify this animation to be at the right height. And the folder tapping. Why is it not on the floor? Why? I couldn't tell you. Where's the root bone? There. Key that. Move it up. Is that better? Yeah, okay. I think that's okay. We'll have to check it on a montage. And that one's okay. What? Okay, I have no idea. Save you. Let's montage you two. Damn it. Right. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we need to add the damage thing in here, otherwise it's not going to work. Can we remove the preview? Ah, there we go. Do we just remove it from there? Remove. Oh no, that's scaring me now. Oh, I don't want to see the sword in that one. Ah, there we go. Because they're going to be left-handed, aren't they? So, broken sword. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, it's gone back in the floor actually. How's he done that? We'll just have to see what that looks like. So from there. Oh no, I've added a random track. Undo. No, from there. Identify state, damage state. Yeah. Okay, so that'll damage him. Are we still on the task of adding swoosh sounds? We are. And we'll see if we can add it in here instead of doing it programmatically, because then it'll be more accurate. So he comes out and he's like, I'm gonna chop you, boy. And then he's like, hiya. There. Well, that's a quick one. You don't have long to be attacked like that at all. Good for the player, like, but... Okay, that is it. Theoretically, the enemy should have those attack montages now.
To battle! The flag of my kingdom.
Every 4 seconds, I think he attacks. That idle is crap though, that it doesn't work properly. Why are you not attacking? Oh, it is telling it to play. Have I not? Oh, here we go. We're getting loads of errors. Access none, trying to read BP enemy weapon. His weapon's not set. Where do I set that on the player? Because the player's is not erroring. Maybe I've not reset it, remapped it. So I set the owner there of his sword. So we'll do that on the enemy. I don't know what activate does, but we don't need it. Set owner of the sword. Get current weapon. So we're setting the owner of the sword to himself. So hopefully, when the animation plays, he don't hurt himself. Right? Yeah. Then... Oh wait, no. I think we've... maybe. That sword's owner. Okay. Then I believe in the construction strip is where I do it. Yes. Do it in the construction script because that runs when I build Unreal rather than in the game. Get current weapon. Cast it to a sword. I'm not saying that this way I'm doing is perfect. It's, current weapon is already a BP sword. You don't need to cast BP sword. Oh yeah. But it's not that I have to get the child, don't I? Get child actor, and I think I have to do that because I think one of them. I think that gets the child reference, and then that gets the actual item within it. So he should have a weapon now.
To battle! The flag of my kingdom.
Ah, crap. So we did the slashing animation. What's he going to do next? So he did the slashing animation again, and what's he going to do next? Come on. He's done the slashing animation again. What's he going to do next? Okay, he's really enjoying this slashing animation. Why is he just doing nothing but the slashing animation? Come on, attack. He's freezing when he's trying to attack. Is there a bug with the animations? There might be. What would the bug be? AI. I've not checked my Discord actually. Hold on. Because I need to make sure that the voices that we're getting are coming. 1 minute. Oh, it's loading up right screen, so we're alright. Right, there we go. I've asked how the voices are coming along. So I've got a very nice friend offered. Well, I asked him and he agreed to do the voices. Sword. Where's the sword? There. We have got the montage. Oh, we haven't compiled it. Could that be it? I wonder if we compiled it with...
To battle!
Do some cool animations. Do it. Do it. Okay, that's the slash again. That's not what I want. Do it. That's the slash again. That's not what I want. It should randomize. Damn it. Is it lagging again? We are getting errors apparently. No, we're not. It's lying to me. Okay, have I not set the animations up properly? Because I believe you have to set the default group, which should be upper body. Maybe? Well, that is working.
To battle!
So he's doing that, which is not right. Ah, there we go. I just had to set the slot up right. We need to flip his hand over, his weapon, but that's fine. Okay, that's 2 of them done. Where's the other one? That's the first one again. That's the first one again. You know what? I've got an easier way to do this. Let's first set the enemy's hand. So instead of you being in the hand right socket, you are going to be in the hand left socket. What do you look like with it now? He's had enough of that. He's just stabbed himself. Let's rotate that back around. Okay. Right, let's just... The easy way we can test this is by opening the sword and then just removing the montages and adding them one by one until we see what we want. That's probably going to be the easiest way. So let's do that. Weapons. Broken. Bin all of them. Right, let's have the first one. I've lost it again. Where's it gone? There. No. Why are you different? So, oh yeah, these are the pirate ones. So we'll let the pirate one in. Compile. So this should be slash...
To battle!
Ichi. Okay, slash Ichi is there. And this is... How does it look? Ah, the sword's 2 up. The sword needs moving down. Ichi ni san. Yeah, it's Japanese. I'm trying to be Japanese out, so Ichi. Ichi. I think it's Ichi. If anybody's Japanese, please tell me. Okay. Why is this sword being a douche? Click his mesh. Let's just remove the animation so he's in T-pose. There we go. That's why. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. You have to do the sound effects. There we go. Get rid of the grid. I can't remember how to get rid of the grid. Never mind. Could technically rotate it a bit. Make it look a bit cooler. Yeah, that looks cool. Now let's set him back up animation wise. Enemy blueprint, okay. Okay. Pirate. Standard slash Ichi. That looks so much better. But it's facing away. It kind of like doesn't look at the player as he slashes. Never mind. It works. Okay, next one. Knee. Knee to
battle.
Tres, I believe is French for it. I didn't see that, so we'll look again. It just kind of like looks away. It's like, nope. Yeah. Okay, that works. So that's, we know they all work now. Stick you in number 2, and we need /1. There we go. Final test.
Battle.
It should just randomize between them. 1, 2, 3, maybe? It's there, it works. Right, can the player attack?
Battle.
I'm not attacking. Oh, I'm getting errors, that's why. So let's read the errors together. Attempted to access missing property of none. Damage state. Sword active. Have I got a blueprint called damage state? Apparently I do. Cast a BPC player. So that's me. Wait, am I receiving damage? Sword inactive. Oh, there's an issue there. Weapon. Wait, isn't that just gonna... Oh, that needs to fix it as well. Actually, I might not have to cast that to a player anymore. If we cast this to an entity instead, and then get the current weapon, this would mean that this would work for both. Ah, we're halfway through doing our enemies' attacks, because the enemies' attacks will still notify us the same way. Nope. Entity. Cast a BPC entity. You go there. You go there. Yeah, there we go. So now the player will receive a damage state notification, but it just won't do anything. I think. Ugh, so we would have just got hit then. Just like, yeah. That was awesome. Just at the last minute, he was like, "Oh, get you." Okay, we've done that. Let's add swoosh sounds. I don't know how to add swoosh sounds though, but I've got to figure it out because I've done it with the damage, and it's the same principle. Damage state. Okay, so we'll do a. Go away. Why have I just moved it to the same place? Copy. So this would be a play sound state. Okay. We don't want. Oh. No, we don't need the end. We just need the notify trigger. I think. I can't rename it. Okay. Oh, because I'm overriding it, that's why. Notify tick. A tick would probably be better than a begin, I think. owner doesn't work. Why? Oh, getting a links to Meshcom, that's why. Pop. So stick you over there. Now, on the current weapon, if we jump into this, which is BP's sword, there, and we go now, oh no, Swoosh Sounds, because then it'll go, and then if it hits something, it'll go dink, and then the dink will come from the player rather than the swoosh sounds. So this will be audio. It'd just be an audio cue, wouldn't it? I got hiccups. I'm lost now. Why is this not allowing me to do? Oh, is it a sound cue? That's probably why. It's a sound cue. So we don't need an array of them, because the cue will handle the randomize for us. Yeah, we don't need. Yeah, we'll just do swish sound and we'll just randomize in it. We'll just essentially just call it. That's all we're gonna do. So in play sound state, we're literally just gonna go from the current weapon and say play audio at location. Stick you there. Stick you there. The sound as. Oh no, well, I don't know what that. We should probably. Yeah, we'll keep that there, but we'll also go sounds, get sound, get swish sound, plug that into sound, and then the location, with the current weapon's location, get relative, get world, like get act 4 location. I'll do. There we go. Compile that. So that's it. That's theoretically all we need to do. But the only problem is now is we have to edit every animation. Do we? Yes. Yes, we've got to edit every animation. But we need some swoosh sounds first. Yeah, we'll finish this swoosh sounds, then I'm going to go for dinner. However, I'm just going to start the oven warming up for a bit, so I'll be back in 1 minute. Hello, ladies and germs, we're back. Yes, we need swoosh sounds. I am also going to set myself a timer for when I need to put my. I'm having rice, so hold on. Yeah, so I need to set a 10-minute timer. It's 10 minutes. I'll need to put the rice on. So rice and chicken. Sounds. Sword. Surely it's got to be called sword. Sword Sounds Pro. Sword Knife SFX. Open new tab. Open new tab. Open new tab. Open new tab. We got loads. Of course we got loads. So I'm going to play this. Hopefully it's not too loud. Okay, they sound all amazing. They are awful. I don't know what that is. Dagger, heavy sword. Ooh. They're pretty cool. Sword, knife. Oh, they're impacts. I don't want impacts. Oh, they're just loads of them. Okay. So, I think we'll be okay for now for basics, just doing these. Sounds. Swords. Wait, I've already got whooshers. When did I get whooshers? I must have added them in before. But they're still cool. We'll add them in as well. You know, more wishes the better, surely. And we don't need any more of them because we've got plenty here. If we just grab all of these and whack them in one massive montage or a single queue. Sword, whooshes. Luckily, I saved. So we're not too far off. Okay, so actually that's probably I want to get the sword whoosh sounds done before I go to lunch. Come on, quicker. Okay, it's reloading now. Plus quit you. There we go. So we'll get the weapon swoosh sounds done. Enemy to attack you, and then the player HUD will be combined, because that's what we're going to do. The boss fight I'm going to leave till very last, but we need to do the initial and the outro. The outro is going to be after the boss fight, which makes no sense for it to be there, but that's what we need to do. If I can get all that done today, minus the boss fight, that means tomorrow we can spend bumping it up and just making it nicer, bigger and stuff. And maybe if we get the boss fight done, we could add the pirate level. Yeah. So weapon swoosh sounds, enemy to attack you, then better enemy AI, because we need them to chase and stuff, but that stuff I've got to do offline because it's tutorials and stuff. Then pirate level, because we can use the same intro cutscene to just stick them in pirate. The outro cutscene can just be the credits. Where is the credits gone? I forgot the credits. We need a main menu and credits. Probably before that. So we'll just do 10 credits, 11 main menu. I don't know what I'm going to do for these yet. I might just do a dead simple one. Okay, weapon swoosh sounds. It didn't like adding every single one to one massive swoosh, but did it do it? It removed them. Sword. Which one did I drag in? Was it Sword Sounds Pro? Maybe? Yeah, I think it was. Drag all you in. Got so many whooshes. Why is it nothing else easy to find like that? Save them in case it crashes again. And you all add to one big queue. Sword whoosh. Interesting that it keeps crashing like that. And then restart again. Yo, hello Geo the dinosaur. How you doing today, buddy? It's crashed again when I was trying to create my whooshers queue. How dare it? However, it does load up fairly quickly after it crashes, so I will give it that. Yes. I guess we could think what kind of main menu would have. I don't know. I'm doing good. How about you? I'm doing well, thank you. I am doing very well. Just sick of Unreal crashing. We've got a lot to do today. We've already crossed off like 4 things, so we're doing good. But these stuff needs to be done before Sunday. If I can get them done tonight, then that means tomorrow we can add a pirate level, which will be awesome. But that's going to be a big job, because you need to remake all the landscape. Hopefully it comes with one. Hopefully. Then replace all the enemies, replace the boss, replace all the sounds, maybe the animations if you want to go that far, replace the player, replace the animations, weapons. Oof. Oof, it's making me dizzy just thinking about it. What I also want to do, I do 2.5. Let's see what we got down here. We got 12 Footstep Sounds. Because I think just a would sound good, and a background music, because they should be easy stuff to do. There's a lot to replace. There is a lot to replace. Basically, everything has got to be replaced, but not recoded. That's the big benefit of it. Okay, so if it doesn't like renaming them, why do you let me do it? So let's create a single cube and just press enter. Wow, it really doesn't like doing that many. Ugh, yeah, send and restart. Okay, I'll create a queue of a couple. Because it saves so much time. I'll create a queue of a couple, then I will manually have to do it. Ah, terrible. But yes, everything will be replaced, but not recoded. So theoretically, it is an easy job, because you don't need to really know Unreal that much. You just click a character, click a new model. Click on place, click a new model. So if we wanted to cheat, we could technically just click all our paths and replace them to a path that exists the other one, but you'd still run the same place, but yeah. Yeah. Why is this still not crashed yet? Come on, crash. There we go. And we need to re-voice it, actually. There'll be different voices. So my Knights of my Kingdom won't be there. It'll be like, Yar! And Brackeys! And I'm going to make you walk the plank! And stuff like that. It'll be a lot of fun. We'll have to redo the boss's cutscene. I don't think we're going to get a pirate one done in time. Not without being able to sleep. I think we'll get a damn good go, but I don't think we'll finish it. Because the cutscene for the pirate took me at least 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours. So, yeah. We'll see. Okay. So, we'll do a couple of sounds. Swords, whoosh. So we'll just do like 18. Okay. Whooshes. So we've got the whooshes, and it does that. Boom. And that's what we need. Can I drag another queue in here? No, I can't. Damn. Then again, 1, 2, 18 does sound like a lot of swooshes. You might not even notice. Can I plug a random into a random? I can. So what I can do to make my life so much easier is randomize this one down here, add a bunch of inputs, disconnect you guys from up there. Yes. And instead, plug you into here. And then just connect the randoms to the randoms. Technically it's less efficient because it'll be randomly picking them. But it just means the lines look so much more tidier. I'm not going to do all of them. It'll take me way too long to do. They won't. I just can't be bothered. And delete input. There we go. And what we will also do, just for a little effect, is we'll add a modulator. So I really like the modulators. So the pitch, if you do it a bit slow, will be, I'd say it's a 7, but the pitch high, if you do it fast, will be 20. Yeah, that'll do. So, all we have to do now is edit the animations and tell it when to swoosh. Right? Yeah, that sounds right. Geometry, Cinti, mini characters, animations. Attacking. We'll do this one first. So, hiya. Oh right, it's pretty much when the damage state comes on as well. Damage state, play sound state. And it'll be swoosh. I love how quick that goes. Swoosh. Yeah, that'll be it. I think that's it. I think that one's done. So it's just a case of doing that every time. It is almost... I could have technically plugged it into the damage state, but keeping it separate does give us more flexibility. Swoosh. I don't know what happens if that gets to the end, whether it just cuts the audio off or not. I hope it doesn't. Great sword pack. Attacking. What we got? We don't need that one. We can that one, and that one. Oh, I've opened them all up and it replaces them. I keep forgetting that. We've made a mistake, I think. Have we? Do all of these have damage? Oh, I wonder if that's why that first one's not working. Because I'm not technically using the damage state. Because that was legacy code. Enabled. So do that there. Maybe it was just working by accident. Sound state. Where does this need a swoosh? There. Okay, is that... Oh, no, that's one of them done. Do two more. Right, we'll just do this last one, then I will run for dinner if it's... Hopefully it's done. Hopefully the sounds are done, I mean. Right, let's try it. Now we should have whoosh sounds, but these might be incredibly loud, in which case we might have to just tune it down, but we can do that later. To battle! Oh no. Oh wait, I didn't put the sound cue on. That'll be why. We need to go to you. Swish sound. Swishes. And we'll do the same to the player as well. Where's the weapons? Blueprints. Weapons. Actually. Oh yeah, we do want it on that level. I was going to say, if we put it on the base level, then all of them will apply, but then everyone will be the same. And I like the option of being able to change it. Wishes. Let's try it again. If this is too loud, I apologise. To battle! Awesome! Why is it going? I don't know why it's going so much. It shouldn't be doing that. I wonder if the notify is not playing it once and it's continuously sending the signal. So if it prints hello, it's sending the signal multiple times. To battle! Ah, there we go. It's not doing it once. It's... Ah, I've done it in the wrong one. I don't want it on tick, because tick, I should have thought about it. Tick's going tick, 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 tick into it, and we don't want it to go tick, 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 tick. We want it to go tick, tick, which is begin. We put it back in begin. I will go for my dinner in a minute. I'll put it in the oven. It's probably not the best way to do it, but it'll be fine. There we go. Now I can remove the tick.
To battle!
Do it. Awesome! That's so much better. He slashed us one more time. I'm so happy with this game. Thank you for the 5 likes, ladies and gentlemen. Right, I am going to take a break now. I'm going to have some dinner, then we'll come back and carry on. We have successfully done the add weapons Swoosh Sounds one. Woo! Next we'll add Footstep Sounds, because it's all little bits I probably shouldn't be doing and focusing on, but I'm doing it anyway. Which, it's going to be the same thing. Find the animation, add a state to it, play... We could go advanced and see if you're walking on grass, gravel, do different sounds. Do I want to? Damn it, yes I do. Okay, we'll do that later. Right, thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see you in like an hour or two. Thank you for tuning in. See you later.